What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we're taking a look at the price of Bitcoin here on the 4 hourly. We'll be zooming into the 1 hourly, even to the 5-minute chart, showing you some massive scalping opportunities that you can take also in the near future. We're also going to take a look at Ethereum to see where we at, because it does look like that we are in danger here for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the different cryptocurrencies, because also the S&P 500 is getting a massive hit, and the S&P 500 in the next coming weeks can come down very, very low, guys. I'm going to explain this in today's episode, so make sure to stay tuned. Hi there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Daily TA on Bitcoin crypto, and also do live streams to connect with the community. I am not a financial advisor. Do not buy or sell anything that I say. If you do so, do your own research. Let's dive in here straight into the content, guys, because as you can see right over here on the 4 hourly, something that we were talking about here when we were trading at the $21,000 area, where we did have big massive VPVR getting supported from this higher low trend line. We did not manage to hold as support, and we finally broke down here, as you can see on the chart. Now, what does this mean? Well, this means just one thing for me, that it is likely that the lows here from June at the $18,000 range will be retested potentially in the next coming weeks. So what we want to see right now, looking at the 1 hourly chart, is what is going on. Now, as you can see here right over here on the chart, when I zoom in, we did have a pretty nice relief rally. Now Bitcoin is getting a big massive hit, but not because only Bitcoin, because of technical analysis, the stock market is getting a big massive hit right now at this moment. While I'm doing the video, we can go through the S&P 500 and show you how the S&P 500 is likely to come all the way down to the 3,700 points. Okay, just in 1 second, once we take a look here at Bitcoin. Now, as you can see, if we take a look at volume is very, very important. This candlestick right there, and also this big massive cluster of volume on the chart, is just massive selling pressure, meaning that the price of Bitcoin is going to be very, very hard for the price to actually break this massive resistance zone. Where is this? This is in between the $20,500, $20,800 range. We've been talking about this major level, okay, for quite some days. We can see big support right there. We've got a big candle with huge amount of volume. So this range is insanely important. The 20.5, 20.8. We just about hit 20.5k levels here, as you can see on the chart. So this back of this candle right over here is insane resistance. This is just a huge amount of selling pressure, okay, and you do need a lot of buying pressure to break this zone. If you start coming up here, there is a little bit of volume there, but while you're attempting to hit this massive resistance zone, the back of this red candle, you're not having any buying pressure. So what is happening right now? Bitcoin is getting a big massive hit and just dropping. I do think that we could go much lower in the next coming hours and days. Now, I just want to show you the price action that we did have here, looking at Bitcoin on the 15-minute, the 5-minute chart, all right? If we zoom in here closely, there has been massive opportunities here for this relief rally. Where has there been the opportunities? Well, right down over here, as you can see, we were forming a symmetrical triangle. So as soon as we broke this symmetrical triangle on Bitcoin, this was yesterday, with this amount of volume, it was looking pretty good. It was likely to get that bounce from the resistance here and have this continuation to the upside. So I did take one opportunity right there. Which one? This one right here, where we do have resistance at the $20,140. As you can see, resistance. We managed to break above it with a large amount of volume and turned it into the support right there. So this is a great opportunity. Once you have that breakout, you come down with low volume, and then you have that bounce to retest the highs. Nice little scalp here of around about 0.5 or 1% here. As you can see, about 1% here to the highs. to the very, very highs. So there's a nice quick opportunity here when you're using resistance to turn into support here. Quick little scalps, as you can see. Absolutely beautiful. Not only that, there was actually another opportunity. So if we do take these highs on the 15-minute chart, as you can see, we've got a wick there, another wick here. This is a zone, all right? So if we extend the box, as soon as you break this resistance level with a large amount of volume, okay, it does turn into support to come back up and retest the high. So you're always looking for that kind of double top scenario, or at least, you know, the retest of the resistance, almost retesting the high. So there's a quick one right there. Also, I did not take this trading opportunity, but it was absolutely a phenomenal one. So what could happen for Bitcoin right now? Okay, we could get some small relief rally here, but it's very unlikely. As you can see here on the chart, we've just been having some little bit of bullish momentum with hardly any volume. We're seeing the selling pressure kicking in right now. So it's very likely that in the next coming days, potentially after some potential relief rallies, we are going to come all the way down here to retest the 19.5, okay, as you can see here on the chart. Now, what is our next major opportunity? Of course, if we were to have move to the upside from this level, which I think, you know, it is possible. This is not a trading level. Why isn't it a trading level, Andy? Because we've already retested here just yesterday this big massive support. As you can see, bounce, and now we are retesting it again. So it's very, very possible that we're going to break it. But if we do get that bounce, I know that this level is very, very strong resistance. Why? It is the highs, as you can see, with a large volume. It has also been major support. If you were to create that bounce here and get to this level, you are likely to get rejected. This is the $20,400, $20,300 range, okay? I say range because of the volatility. And what could you be forming? A head and shoulder scenario. Of course, you could actually break down from this level and not even reach that range in the next coming hours or couple of days. So if we do solidly break this massive resistance that's been turning into support, as you can see, of course, this is also going to be a resistance level. So we start breaking down with large amount of volume, guys. Stay extremely cautious. There might be another opportunity here. If you retrace with very low volume, okay, here by looking at the chart, if you do retrace with low volume at this range of $20,140 approximately after a big solid breakout, then of course you are likely to create a lower high here. So make sure to pay attention on these potential scenarios. They are trading opportunities every single day here on Bitcoin and Ethereum and crypto in general. Now we're going through the sponsored segment of this video. We're talking about Margex leverage trading platform. Now we're talking about staking today, because apart from trading, you can stake your assets. They have massive rewards here, 9.8% on US dollar coin, also on USDT, almost 10% APY. But not only that, now staking 2.0 is just around the corner here for Margex, meaning that your assets that you do have staked, you can use them for trading also. So if you're good in trading and make some gains, you can add them up here to your staking rewards and make compound, which is absolutely phenomenal. Now, if you want to join the waitlist here for staking 2.0, they are having a giveaway of $100,000, as you can see here, in different prizes. So make sure to join the waiting list. I'll be leaving the link down below if you want to join this massive giveaway and also join staking 2.0 here with Margex. Now, going here to the features, also if you sign up with the link down below, you get $50 worth of bonus depositing 0.004 Bitcoin, which is less than $100. Now they have a combined liquidity of 12 plus exchanges, plenty of liquidity, bank grade multi-layer security, insanely secure, and then no personal details are required. So you can sign up with an email and a password in less than 2 minutes. Some cool features here on Margex, such as MP Shield system, meaning that you will not see any big massive scam wicks here, liquidation wicks. You will not see here this on the platform. Once you sign up, this is the interface, and as you can see, you will not see any different scam wicks here. If you take a look at the different assets such as Ethereum, XRP, they do have a bunch of cryptos, so that is insanely important. They do support over 100,000 trades per second, extremely fast with their executions. And once you sign up, you can see it's really, really easy. On the left here, you have your where you're going to place your orders, the percentage of your capital, the amount of leverage. You can use isolated or cross leverage, as you can see, buy, sell, very simple to use. They have the trading view interface. Down below here, your order position history, and at the right, the order book. Now here in wallet, you can use Visa, MasterCard if you want to buy Bitcoin on the platform or just deposit or withdraw. And also here in settings, you can change your language, put 2FA, Google Authenticator. You have a referral program. So remember to refer to other people if they want to join Staking 2.0 also, because that will give you more possibilities to gain in the giveaway. Here in support, you do have a live chat just in case you did have any issues with the platform. They will contact you in the same day, and you have video tutorial here to learn how to use the different features of the platform here at support. So remember to join Staking 2.0 so you can enter this massive giveaway. I'll be leaving the link down below in the description so you can join the waitlist. So going here to the Ethereum chart, looking at the 4 hourly, we can see that we did break down from this ascending wedge, all right, just quite a few days ago, around about 10 days ago, as you can see here on the 19th of August, breaking down solidly with some pretty decent volume, as you can see on the chart. So right now, lower is likely on Ethereum. Now, I just want to show you some nice big resistance and support levels that are being respected at this moment. We got this one right over here at the $1,400 range. Okay, be nicely support, getting a little bounce from this zone. Also, big resistance at $1,600. Big support, broken down, hitting it as resistance, so you are potentially going to come down and retest the lows here at around about 1,400, 1,450 in the next coming hours or couple of days. So stay cautious on this major levels on Ethereum. Now I want to go and zoom in on the 15-minute, 5-minute chart, because there has been some incredible opportunities on Ethereum. I did take a great opportunity on Ethereum right now as soon as we were hitting this major resistance zone. Now, I did know that it was a high probability that this level of $1,600 was very unlikely to be broken, especially after this choppy action that we just created a few hours ago. Now, not only that, you are hitting the 618 zone from the high to the low. As you can see, you are hitting 618 Fibonacci from this major drop that we've had for the last few days, retracing to the 618, nice fib level, nice big resistance zone. And when you zoom in to the 5-minute chart, you have big major opportunities. Okay, just let me show you the scalping opportunities that there have been here, all right, for the last couple of hours. Absolutely insane, guys. Now, as you can see right there, let me just zoom in, and I'm going to show you right over here. If we do see these lows right there, you can actually put a trend line from this range. We can go to the 3-minute, all right, and you can see it much, much better, all right. There's a big, massive head and shoulder scenario that's being formed here, as you can see right there from a consolidation. We have this being the head, and then being support right there, another right shoulder, as you can see, head and shoulder scenario. We broke the neckline with a huge amount of volume, as you can see here on the chart. Big breakdown. Where do we retrace? We retrace to a big major level here, the neckline, exactly hitting the neckline here of this head and shoulder scenario. Absolutely beautiful right there to perfection. I did enter this shorting opportunity. I've been checking out some other exchanges here, looking at the 3-minute. You know, I like price action and volume. When we break down here with this huge amount of volume, there was actually a big spike in volume. If you do take a look at the Bybit USDT pair, nice spike in volume right there, being insane resistance. So this was also a good shorting opportunity because you were retracing all the way up there with a very, very low amount of volume. And now, where is the potential target move from this breakdown? Well, you know the deal. You need to get the head here, the top of the head to the neckline, and from the breakout, the target has been met, okay, round about the $1,550, where we just currently at this moment trading, getting a little bit of that volatility. So you could get a short-term bounce, or you could continue to the downside. We do not really know. We want to find these kind of trading opportunities. Head and shoulder scenario, a breakdown from the neckline with this amount of volume. Absolutely beautiful. It's more than average, as you can see, for the last, few hours. You want to see a spike in volume, breaking a major support level, turning into resistance, and going here with this local downtrend, guys. Hope you like that brief explanation on these kind of opportunities. So what are we looking for here on Ethereum? High probability trade scenarios. Well, we're just going to zoom out, all right? Zoom out a little bit here on the 15 minutes chart, for example. Now you are just about to hit this range over here. It's a big zone where we've had a lot of volatility, all right? This was just about yesterday. This was yesterday looking at the 15-minute chart. So there is a possibility that Ethereum can create a kind of a bounce here from this 1,530 range, okay? It is a big range, as you can see. So what we're looking for here is a potential another head and shoulder. So you could get that drop. You could get a bounce from these support levels, as you can see. So if you come down, get a bounce, it will be looking very interesting here, guys, because if you do hit the 618 or approximately that range, and you do have a retracement with very low volume here back up the 1,560, 1,570 range, it's going to be looking very, very good if you have low volume, because you are likely to turn around here and then finally break the neckline here in the next coming days. All right, this is a head and shoulder scenario that could happen on Ethereum. So look for these major opportunities, guys, in the next coming hours and days. All right, hope you enjoyed this quick update. I think that I will be very likely doing a live stream afterwards, guys. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. We'll be doing a live stream taking a look for those nice scalping and day trade opportunities. Make sure to check out the Bitcoinsensus website if you want to know about the latest technical analysis ideas and also news events that we do post here every single day. You have the link down below in the description, totally free information. Join the Telegram group, the Discord, or also follow us on Twitter that we do post every single day stuff there. Thank you, guys, and I will see you in the next one.